y'all, it's Charlene from the Crafty Art Shack, and we're back here today with another awesome video. So let's get to the craft desk and get started. Let's go. All right, you guys, here we go. We're going to take a field trip today. We're leaving the craft desk behind, and we are headed to Eco Relics. And no, this is not any of my kids or grandkids driving down the road. This is just a thing I pulled off of Canva so we could take a field trip. Anyway, we are going to Eco Relics here in Jacksonville, Florida, where they reuse, recycle stuff, and this is their wood workshop and some of the stuff that comes out of it. Now, this is their actual warehouse that you can walk through that has tons and tons of antiques, and oh my goodness. I couldn't even get pictures of them all. And look at this toilet. Isn't that something? Would you have loved to use that back in the day? And then I was actually taking a picture of that sewing machine table there. And here is some really beautiful antique furniture, an old washing machine. They have tons of stuff. My daughter likes roosters. They make these in their metal workshop and put them in here. And oh my gosh, this stuff, you could go crazy in here. Now look at this thing. I wondered what it was, and I walked up to it, and it is actually a French chair that they carry somebody in, and they ask you not to touch it because it is fragile, and the sign even says it may release 500-year-old ghost. And oh my gosh, look at this. Now that would be a neat craft to make there. And I go here for ideas. Just look at all the stuff, and it is so gorgeous. I really enjoy spending the day here. So anyway, just check out all this stuff. Just room and room. It's a huge warehouse. My suggestion to you is if you're not used to the heat, don't go in the summertime. Go in the fall or the spring, because once it gets really hot, you are going to sweat in this place. And so you better be really ready to do that. But look at the tons of stuff they have. Isn't this just, it's like, wow. Like I said, I like to go here and get ideas of things from the past and make things. And I'm trying to get these people out of the video because I don't want them in it while I'm filming, because I don't want to have to go get permission. And so here we are, and there's that side view of that little French carrying chair, and look how far it is across that warehouse. Now we're going to take a walk down that row in a few minutes, but the back of the warehouse goes on for days. Okay, so they've got all kinds of postcards, all kinds of old pictures, all doll houses like that one sitting there, and then just tons of stuff. I mean, even if I took pictures of it, I don't think I'd see it all. And they have old cigar boxes and old pianos. This stuff goes on for days. I'm not sure what that thing is, though. But I stopped and looked at it. And there's my good-looking husband. And he's going to be in here in a few minutes. He doesn't know he's in this video, but he's going to be in it. He saw this stool made out of auto parts, and he thought I should make one of those. And I was like, well, no, babe, you should make one of those. And here he is. He is so handsome, and he is so good to me, you guys. And then here we're going to take a walk down this first row, and there is tons and tons of old stuff. Now, these shelves go almost to the ceiling, and they just go on for days. And I'm not even taking a picture of all of it. I'm just taking what's at eye level for me. And you guys, there is so many unique things here. If you like this kind of stuff and you come to Jacksonville, Florida, go pay them a visit and enjoy it. But like I said, don't come in the summer if you can't stand the heat, because it's going to get hot in there. I always like to go here in the fall or in the spring, like right now. And this one was just taken a couple of days ago. And it was a pretty cool day outside. And I mean, not cold, but cool, at least for Florida in the springtime. And so my husband had me go up and look at the stuff up in the ceiling or up in the upper shelves, and these shelves go on for days, and there's all kinds of stuff. You could spend several hours in here just looking at the stuff. And I didn't even go down all the rows. And anyway, there, look at those portholes there. Aren't those cool? And then we're not even going to go all the way over to the wall, but there's some things that they make in their metal shop. There's things that they just put in these old cases. And look at that Marvin the Martian sign. They even have grills from the front of Cadillacs. That looks like it came out of an Escalade. And then there's stuff in cases. And all of this stuff is just really old. They have old glass doorknobs. And look at those little baskets. And I think I'm going to get me some of those baskets. I didn't buy anything that day while I was there, but I'll probably go back over there and pick up some of those because I thought about what I could do with them. Now, this part right here is for all you crafters. We're going to go in here. This used to be the entrance to the place, and now they've changed it around, and it is where they keep all their Annie Sloan paints and all of their products from Annie Sloan in here. And you guys, if you're really interested in this lady that we're fixing to meet at the front desk that I didn't film us talking to, I was asking her, could I have permission to put this on the website? And she gave me this information here. And she said, yes, y'all can order stuff. If you see it, you can order it from the website. So go check them out because they've got some awesome, unique stuff over there. All right, guys, we're back from the craft desk. It really wasn't the craft desk, but it was Eco Relics, and I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you want more content like this, let me know in the description box below. And if not, I won't put it up again. There's a couple of places that I go to around town here, and if you're interested, let me know down there in the description the description box. It is the comments. Well, if you like this content, subscribe, like, and share because it really helps our video out. And for all our subscribers, thank you so much for everything you do for us by subscribing to the channel. And we'll see you in the next episode of the Crafty Art Shack. We'll see you later. Bye.
What I was doing. When I look at something in the background or whatever and I notice it's out of place, it's like, squirrel! My craft room's not full. I still have the ceiling to hang stuff from. What do you mean you can't find it? Babe, it's right there behind my, yeah, that thing. Yeah, it's behind my stuff. I know. Hey, babe, those are my tools. Yours are over there in your toolbox behind my stuff. That's why you're using mine? Listen, I have everything right here in hand's reach so that I can do a video. Why is it over there? Because I'm not using it right now. No, don't get rid of it. I need it. But I know it's not at hand's reach, but I need it. I might want to use it. Alright, y'all, we're back from the craft desk, and didn't these just turn out awesome? So you guys, if you like this content, subscribe. Hit that notification bell and give us that big thumbs up because it really helps our channel out. And we'll see you in the next episode of the Crafty Art Shack. We'll see you later. Bye!